Hello guys, welcome to another episode of Life Lessons with Casey. I feel like it's been so long since I made a video. Like, what's happening? Okay, so today I I want to talk about something very important. I don't know, maybe it's just like me being so inquisitive or wanting to know everything. I've been watching a lot of videos online on YouTube about how to make money online. And believe me, everything they are saying, they are things that I already know. Some of them have tried it. But I'm going to tell you the truth. I have not made money from a lot of those things. I know if I make a video and say 30 ways to make money online, I'm going to get more views. But the truth is that at the end of the day, it may not help you. Like, you will just get the knowledge and you won't do anything with it. So, instead of telling you 30 things to do to make money online, I want to tell you one thing. One thing you have to do to make money online. The easiest way to make money is to sell something. But you're not just going to be making money just from selling something. No, it doesn't really work that way because a lot of people are out there posting online trying to sell something. So you have to do it the right way. So it's not about telling you they can sell jewelry, you can sell makeup, you can sell clothes, you can sell phone, you can sell food. You have to sell something. You can sell books, you can sell ebooks. Just sell something. Sell something. It can be ebooks, it can be a course, it can be whatever you choose. But you must do it the right way. So the question is, what is the right way? Number one, the first thing is to make up your mind on the niche. Make up your mind. Decide the niche. Decide what you want to sell. The most horrible thing you're going to do to yourself is jumping here and there. Make up your mind on what you want to sell. The niche. Choose your niche. Choose it. I'm telling you because this is a mistake I've made in my years of trying to make money online. I've made the mistake of not focusing on one product, one item, one niche. Okay? So, I am someone who likes to share whatever lessons I've learned in life. One lesson I've learned in my journey of trying to make money online is that you have to choose a niche. Focus on one thing. That's number one. Then the second thing you have to do is build your brand. Okay? Your name, your logo, your color, let it be consistent. Because you are trying to build a brand, and a brand is not what you build in one day. A brand is not what you build by being inconsistent. Focus on your niche, then build a brand. As you're building a brand, you're building a community. A group of people are getting to know you with a certain picture, a certain color, certain product. In the process of building your brand, you are building trust. People are beginning to know you, to trust you. Being inconsistent is the most horrible thing you do to yourself. You're not going to start selling immediately, but you have to be patient. That's number 3. You have to be patient. You have to be patient. Really patient. You have to be patient. And then you have to learn how to advertise. You cannot light a lamp and then keep it under the table. Nobody will know. How will people know? You have to advertise. You have to spend money on adverts. You have to advertise your products. You have to advertise. And if you don't know how to advertise, please don't Don't waste your money. Give it to someone who can help you with that. And I can be that someone, okay? Another mistake I made that I want you to learn from is that you have to choose a social media platform. You need Facebook, you need Instagram, you need Twitter, you need TikTok, you need YouTube. But as you're starting, start with a social media platform first. Be consistent in one platform. There's a way to post on one platform and then it gets to the other platforms. But have a social media platform in mind that, okay, this is the platform where I'm building my brand, where I'm going to be consistent, where I am going to kaizen the hell out of my product. I'm giving you how many tips now? Like 5. Choose a product, build your brand, be consistent with your brand color, your brand logo, your brand pictures. Choose a platform, choose a medium where you're going to, sell the hell out of your products. Be patient as you're building your brand. Be patient because you are building trust, you're building a community. And then finally, advertise. That is how to make money online. You must have something you're selling. It could be product, it could be services, but you've got to be selling something. It must not be good. So you can be selling services, you could be selling products, you could be selling services, but I don't have to list all the services and all the products in the world, but you already know them. You see them every day. You've seen people that are doing printing, you've seen people that are selling clothes, you've seen people that are selling shoes and bags and jewelries, you've seen people that are selling computer and phones. All you have to do is to choose one. Make up your mind that this is the product or service I'm going to sell, and then sell the hell out of it. Thank you for listening. God bless you.